can vertical drainage solve this type of a flood, this little puddle? You can see it raining really hard, and this little area is just holding water. And it's just pouring down rain. I mean, it's a big thunderstorm. So now, about 10 minutes later, you can see the flood has progressed, and we have a pretty good area that's underwater. Well, vertical drainage solves this problem.
Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. I'm out here in a small rainfall to show you the results of the vertical drainage. You know, I've done so much research and seen so many videos, especially from the Netherlands, and they are showing how water can be drained down through the ground, but we've got to get through the hard pan to make it work. So it's raining pretty good. Let's go take a look at the results of the vertical drainage, especially the one where I brought the grate on the top. And I'm going to put together the video again for those of you that have not seen how to do this. Less than $10 and you can solve this problem. So the first thing we're going to do is cut off a section of sod. We want to cut off about a 9 by 9 section. Just use your shovel, 9 by 9, and pop out this plug. Set that over on your tarp because we're going to put that back. Next, using your post hole diggers, go ahead and dig down to the hard pan. You've got to get down to the hard pan for this to work. So we want to get down about 24 inches. You can hear me hitting the hard pan right there.
Remember, the secret to this is to get below that hard pan. This is not easy to do. It takes a lot of effort to get through your hard pan. But once you do it, that water will drain very well. The hard pan is a non-permeable soil. The water will not get through it, so you've got to open it up.
So here's our vertical drain. We need a little piece of fabric. It doesn't matter what kind of fabric it is, as long as it's a good fabric that drains out. We're going to push it down into the hole, open it up. We're going to fill this up with gravel. We're going to fill this up with gravel. You can see I brought the gravel all the way to grade. Now we just fold the fabric over. Now fold the fabric over. Take your sod, put it back on the top. And we're ready to test out vertical drainage.
Let's dig 3 holes.
I'm not going to cut sod, I'm just going to use my post hole diggers. Well, we might be able to put that back. But we're going to get down to the hard pan. Just use your post hole diggers. Try to get as deep as you can. You can hear that hard pan. Hear it? That's just super hard soil. It's non-permeable and it won't let water go through it. So we've got a hole about 24 inches deep. We're going to use another piece of fabric. Just push it in. Open it up. And we're going to pour some gravel down in that hole. Gravel by the bag. Try to bring your gravel as close to grade as possible. Then fold your fabric over. There was a little bit of sod, so I'm going to set that back on top. Throw some dirt in there. Let's do one more hole right here. And again, I'm not too worried about my sod. We just want to get down to the hard pan. So a third hole, 24 inches deep, little piece of landscape fabric, push it down in. Now we're going to pour some gravel in here. Pour some gravel in. We want to bring that gravel to grade. Perfect. See, we brought that gravel right up to the top. Fold this over, tuck it down in, and what I'm going to do here is actually put a grate on the top. So I put a grate on the top. Now all we need to do is step it down. And let it rain. We'll haul this old soil away. We're ready to let it rain. Vertical drainage, it really does work. And for $10, give it a try. Send me your results. Put it in the comments box. I would love to hear what people are doing with this. I've done so much research and the experiments are working so good. Take a look, try it out yourself. So it kind of quit raining, but let me add the garden hose here and watch this. This drain will take water all day. Look at that. That puddle is completely gone. We have a drain here, a drain there, and a drain over there. But this one, where we brought right up to grade, well, this is dropping straight down through the gravel, in through the hard pan, and the water is disappearing. Look at that. All day. Vertical drainage, less than $10, and we solved that problem. I really hope that you give this a try. I mean, for $10, you can't go wrong. And send me your results. Tell me what's going on. I'd love to hear from you. This drain will take water all day. Look at that. That puddle is completely gone. We have a drain here, a drain there, and a drain over there. But this one, where we brought right up to grade, so this is dropping straight down through the gravel, in through the hard pan, and the water is disappearing. Look at that. All day.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.